Hi, it's Miss Bierman. We will be doing some finger weaving skills. Make sure the end of your yarn is securely placed between your thumb and the palm of your hand. Next, you'll go under your index finger, over your middle finger, under your ring finger, over your pinky. Then, under your pinky. Over your ring finger, under your middle finger, over your index finger. Wrap the yarn around your index finger. Pull it between your index and middle finger. And then up and over your middle finger. Under your ring finger. Over your pinky. Wrap it around your pinky. And now the string is coming up between your pinky and ring finger. Over the ring finger. Under the middle finger. Over the index finger. Wrap it around your index finger. Now you have 2 loops on each finger. You will take the bottom loop and pull it up and over your finger. See, you have to bend it. It may be a little tight, but pull it up and over your index finger. Grab the bottom loop from your middle finger, bend your middle finger, put that loop up and over your middle finger. Now the ring finger. Grab the bottom loop. Bend your ring finger, put it up and over. Yep, that's good. Pinky finger. Bottom loop, up and over. You see your yarn is now between your index and middle finger. Put the string in front of your middle finger and then wrap it around the back of your ring finger. Wrap it around your pinky. Up under your pinky, over your ring finger, under your middle finger, over your index finger. Now we will pull the bottom string up and over our finger again. Pull the bottom string, bend your index finger, pull that loop up and over. You can push it down a little bit with your hand. Next, the middle finger, bottom loop, up and over. Bend your middle finger. Sometimes it's a little tight. Whoops. I pulled 2 of them off. I'm pulling both of those back onto my middle finger. I'm only supposed to pull 1. The bottom one, that's right. I'll try again. Just going to tighten this up a little bit, the tail, between my thumb and palm. And now I'm grabbing the bottom loop. Careful not to grab both of them. Bend my middle finger up and over. Ring finger next. Bottom loop up and over the ring finger. Pinky finger, bottom loop, up and over. Bend the pinky finger so you can slip that loop over it. Just press those down gently. I'm making sure that my yarn feels loose, not too tight. You can see the yarn is between my index and middle finger. Pull that yarn between your index and middle finger. This is where I always get confused. Over your middle finger, under your ring finger, over your pinky. Wrap it around your pinky. Over the ring finger. Under the middle finger. Over the index finger. Now you have 2 loops on each finger again. Guess what comes next? Pull that bottom loop up and over your finger as you bend it. Index finger, middle finger, pull that bottom loop up and over the ring finger. You probably noticed that I push the yarn down very gently towards the palm of my hand as I weave. Pinky, bottom loop up and over. Push it down gently. I pull it to tighten it just a bit. Don't pull it too tight. Now you go with the string in between your index and middle finger. The first 2 times we did this, we went around that index finger, but we don't do that anymore. Over, under, wrap around the pinky. Over the ring finger, under the middle finger, wrap it around the index finger. Up and over with the loops. Pulling that little tail, you can see it looks like it's been woven.